Try this. It's candy.
Hard.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really good.
It's sour. Eat it.
No, it's not.
You like sour, don't you? You like sour pancake?
Put it in your mouth. Liam. You almost killed me.
Honey, I'll give you $1 to eat it.
Yeah, I'll give you $1.
Too sour.
I'll give you $1.
It's too sour.
No, it's not. Not if you put it on your, all the way in your mouth.
It
Look.
stops being sour.
Yeah.
You're right. We're in college now, fella. This is a chance to reinvent ourselves, right? We can be anything we want. No, you can be yourself, just without the boys. Because I swear, my mother, wherever the hell she is, if I get to be honest, who are you boys' best friend?
Just put it in your mouth. Just put it in your mouth and just close your mouth. Okay, just close your mouth. Leo, you dropped it on the couch. Just go throw it away, Liam.
You.